Hey there, Wanderlusters. If you're watching this, you're probably gearing up for your first big adventure. Exciting, right? But let's be real. Traveling can get a little tricky, especially when you're just starting out. No worries though, I'm here to make sure your trip goes off without a hitch. I'm Alex, and I will be stepping in for Zane as your tour guide. Today we're talking about the top 5 travel mistakes first-time travelers make and how you can avoid them like a pro. So let's dive in. Mistake number 1, overpacking. Hosts, we've all been there, packing everything you might need, including that just-in-case extra outfit for every day of the trip. Overpacking not only weighs you down, but also leaves you with less space for those awesome souvenirs, and let's not forget those baggage fees at the airport. Ouch! How to avoid it? Here's the trick. Stick to the essentials. Use packing cubes to keep things organized, and trust me, you don't need 3 pairs of shoes. Plan outfits that you can mix and match. Less is definitely more. Mistake number 2, skipping travel insurance. Host, travel insurance might sound boring or like an unnecessary expense, but let me tell you, it's a lifesaver. Imagine your flight gets cancelled, or worse, you fall sick abroad. Not fun, right? Do yourself a favor. Always book travel insurance. It covers everything from flight delays to medical emergencies. You'll thank yourself when something unexpected happens, because it usually does. Mistake number 3. Not checking visa requirements. Host, imagine arriving at your dream destination only to find out you can't enter because you didn't get a visa in advance. Yeah, that's a nightmare scenario, but it happens more often than you think. Before booking, always check if you need a visa for your destination, and if you do, apply early. Some visas take weeks to process, so give yourself plenty of time. Also, make sure your passport is up to date. It should be valid for at least 6 months beyond your travel date. Mistake number 4, ignoring local culture and customs. Look, every country has its own unique culture, and ignoring that can not only make you look like a clueless tourist, but could even offend locals. How to avoid it? Do a little research before you go. Learn some basic phrases in the local language and read up on cultural norms like tipping etiquette or how to dress appropriately for certain places. A little effort goes a long way in making you a respectful traveler. Mistake number 5, over-planning the trip. We all want to make the most of our trip, but stuffing your itinerary with back-to-back activities is a recipe for burnout. You don't want to return from your vacation needing another vacation. How to avoid it? Leave some room for spontaneity, sure. Plan out the must-see spots, but also give yourself free time to wander and discover hidden gems. Some of the best travel experiences happen when you least expect them. So there you have it, 5 common travel mistakes and how to avoid them. Whether you're headed to a tropical paradise or a bustling city, remember that the journey is just as important as the destination. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow travel buddies, and of course, hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks. Safe travels, and until next time, happy exploring, happy travel.